Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, and it does have the chrome accenting on the grille. You do also have your halogen headlights there with your fog lights and your chrome bumper. Coming around the side here, we do have our Cooper brand tires with our 20-inch rims, and then you do have the Ram 1500 badging with the Classic on it. And up here we do have our mirrors with the heating there. Coming around to the back here, we got the Ram badging with the 4x4. You got your backup camera there and the chrome bumper. Now opening it up, it is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it is a 6-foot box, so you have tons of room for storage. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we have our panic button up there. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage right down here. Looks awesome in here, very spacious, and these seats are very comfortable. They are cloth. You got the controls over the seats right there. And then up here we have the controls over lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights right there, and our in-cabin light control here. And then up here we have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, we're inside now. Let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And it sounds great. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it does tell us which direction we're facing. It tells us temperature outside and how many kilometers this vehicle has, which is 4,071. That is pretty much nothing. Now you can switch it around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also have your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then over here in the center we do have our radio. So we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as our media tab if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You also have your compass, settings, and more. And when you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. You have your volume up and down here with the mute, screen off, back button, and tuner and browser. And then down here you have your gear shift. You have your control over your 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then we do have our climate control, so you have the power up and down with the circulation, temperature and AC. You have your hazard lights, and then you also have your mode there. You have your traction control and tow and haul mode. Then you got some storage right there. And then you also have your cup holders and your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Coin holders right there, and 2 USB plugins and an aux cord right there. And you can lift this guy up, and you do have another seat underneath there, so it seats 6 people all together. You also have your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, control of your windows, and another handle here. It looks fantastic back here, very spacious, and it does have the 3 seats. You can lift this guy up, and you got extra storage just underneath there, and you do have your cup holders right there. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.